Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the harmonic contents in the output voltage and current of a single phase full bridge inverter. Okay, so recall the Fourier series expression of V0 of omega t and I0 of omega t, whatever we have derived in the last video. Okay, so we had V0 of omega t, 0 of omega t is equal to what? Summation over n is equal to 157 up to the infinity, right? It is a 4 EDC divided by n pi into sine of n omega t. Okay, so therefore from this can we write it as yes V01 of omega t, 01 of omega t, or can write it as V0 of omega t is equal to summation means addition. Okay, so addition of n is equal to 1, n is equal to 3. Okay, so for n is equal to 1 is a 4 EDC divided by pi into sine of omega t plus 4 EDC divided by 3 pi into sine of 3 omega t plus 4 EDC by 5 pi, 4 EDC by 5 pi, 5 pi into sine of 5 omega t plus so on. Okay, so what this indicates 4 EDC by pi into sine of omega t, that is nothing but the output voltage at fundamental frequency. Okay, be careful, this is not the harmonic, this is the fundamental component. Okay, this indicates the output voltage at third harmonic, right? Output voltage due to the fifth harmonic, right? This indicates the output voltage due to the fifth harmonic. Okay, so can we write it as V0 1 of omega t, V0 1 of omega t, right, is nothing but output voltage, output voltage at fundamental frequency, output voltage at fundamental frequency, voltage at fundamental frequency. Okay, is also known as a fundamental output voltage. Okay, or fundamental component output voltage. Okay, so we can write V01 of omega t is nothing but V0 of omega t at n is equal to 1. Okay, so it is equal to 4 EDC divided by pi into sine of omega t. Okay, so this is fundamental component, it is a sinusoidal one. Okay, so can we say that this 4 EDC by pi, it indicates the peak value. Okay, so we can write V01 peak, V01 peak is equal to 4 EDC by pi, EDC by, and also as this is the sinusoidal function, for any sinusoidal function as we know the RMS value is peak divided by root 2. So V01 RMS is equal to what? V01 peak, that is the 4 EDC divided by pi divided by root 2. Okay, so it is like 2 root 2 into EDC divided by pi. Okay, so 2 root 2 by pi, if you check 2 root 2 by pi is a 0.9 into EDC. Okay, so it is a 2 root 2 by pi into EDC by pi. Okay, so it is like a 0.9 into EDC. Okay, so if you check the output voltage, output voltage V0 RMS, okay, that is RMS value of total output voltage, it was a EDC. Okay, and the RMS value of fundamental, it is a 0.9 EDC. Okay, so can we say that out of the total EDC, the 90%, that is a 0.9 EDC is due to the fundamental. Okay, so can we say that the fundamental share, right, share of fundamental component, share of fundamental component, share of fundamental component in output voltage V0 is 0.9 or is equal to 90%. Is this clear? This is very important. Okay. So next, similarly, can we write for V0 3 of omega t? Okay. V0 3 of omega t. If you check V0 3 of omega t, yes, it is 4 EDC by 3 pi, right? 4 EDC by 3 pi. Okay. 4 EDC by 3 pi into sine of 3 omega t. 4 EDC by 3 pi into sine of 3 omega t. Okay. So therefore V03 peak value. This is also sinusoidal, but it is having a frequency of 3 omega, right? For fundamental, the frequency is only omega, right? For third harmonic, it is a 3 omega. Okay, so it is a 4 EDC by 3 pi. Right? So can we write V03 RMS? V03 RMS, yes, is equal to what? 4 EDC by 3 pi divided by root 2. So it is like 1 by 3 into V01 RMS, right? 1 by 3 into V01 RMS, right? So this is a V03 RMS. Okay. So in general, can we write in general V0 NRMS is equal to 1 by n into V01 RMS. Okay. So as the order of harmonic increases, right, its RMS value go on decreasing. RMS value due to output voltage, it go on decreasing. Okay. But at the same time, its frequency, it increases, right? Frequency is increases, right? Next, similarly, we are having I0 of omega t. I0 of omega t is equal to what? Summation over n is equal to 1357 up to the infinity, right? It is a 4 EDC divided by n pi r, right? N pi r into EDC by n pi r into sine of n omega t, right? This is the I0 of omega t, right? Means it also consists of fundamental, third, fifth, seventh, and up to the infinity, means only odd harmonics, right? So we can write in the same way I01 of omega t is equal to 4 EDC by pi into r, okay, into sine of omega t. What is I01 peak? I01 peak is equal to 4 EDC by pi r divided by, yes, 4 EDC by pi r, 4 EDC by pi. Okay. What is I01 RMS? I01 RMS equal to peak divided by root 2 is the 4 EDC divided by pi r, right? Divided by root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 to EDC divided by pi into r. Okay. So it is like 0.9 EDC by r. Okay. Is equal to 0.9 EDC. 0.9 EDC. Convert, this is nothing but V01 RMS by R, yes, which is equal to V01 RMS divided by. Is this clear? V01 RMS. Okay. Similarly, we can write I0N RMS is equal to what? V0N RMS divided by R. Okay. Next, can we find the total the output power due to fundamental component? Yes, output power due to fundamental component or at fundamental frequency. Output power due to component. Yes, what is the output power due to fundamental component? If you check, it is equal to P01, okay, is equal to V01 RMS square divided by R, or which is equal to I01 RMS square into R, or which is equal to V01 RMS into I01 RMS. This is clear. Okay, this is the output power due to fundamental component, right? So next, similarly we can find output power at the third harmonic, right? We can find output power at third harmonic. Output power due to third harmonic component, okay, equal to P03. Okay, so again is equal to P03 RMS square divided by R is equal to I03 RMS square into R, right, which is equal to P03 RMS to I03 RMS, correct. Next, in general, output power due to nth harmonic, power due to nth harmonic, nth harmonic equal to P0n RMS, right, which is equal to P0n RMS square divided by R equal to I0n RMS square is equal to n RMS I0 RMS. Okay, so next, this is about the output power expressions due to different harmonics. Okay, and we are having, as the total different harmonics are having the different frequencies. Okay, so we can write the standard expressions like total V0 is equal to, it is not the phasor addition, right, so please, it is not the arithmetic addition, right, so please be careful. V0 is equal to, right, or V0 RMS is equal to, okay, V0 1 RMS square plus V03 RMS square plus V05 RMS square plus dot dot dot. Okay, so this is what V0 RMS. V0 RMS is the total output voltage, of the circuit. Okay, RMS value of the total output voltage. Similarly, we can write I0 RMS is equal to under root, yes, I01 RMS, I01 RMS square plus I03 RMS square plus I05 RMS square plus till infinity. Okay, similarly, P0 is equal to total output power is equal to under root P01 square plus P03 square plus P05 square plus dot dot dot. Okay, so why we are taking this as a phasor additions? Because the frequencies of the different harmonics are different. Okay, so this is about the discussion on harmonic contents in the output voltage of single phase full bridge inverter with purely resistive load. Okay, in the next video we'll discuss the single phase full bridge inverter with RL load. Thank you.